What is up, YouTube? How's everybody doing tonight? Choking on some applesauce here, but I'm alright. Cut right to the chase. Because I'm Chase, you know. Anyway, Friday night, 7 o'clock, St. Louis time, we are going live for the 900 subscriber special. Now, guys, there's a comment section right below. Let me know what I should make because I'm going to go to the grocery store Friday with my food stamps, and I'm going to be cooking for the 900 subscriber special. I'll give you guys like a few options. Should I make barbecue? Should I make spaghetti? Which is just like me, too easy. Or should I make, I don't know, barbecue spaghetti, or I don't know. It's the third option. I haven't heard anything from Burger Boy, so the collaboration is going to be on hold or something, I guess. But barbecue or spaghetti? Or, stir fry? Dare I say it? Stir fry? Yeah, why not? I'll throw that in as an option. Make sure I have a wok here. Oh, looky there. There's a pan. Stir fry is an option. So, spaghetti, stir fry, or barbecue. Leave your answer in the comments section below. Let me know what I'm gonna make for my 900 subscriber live stream. And we'll be hanging out, and we'll be cooking, we'll be eating. Eating good. And my Meals on Wheels microwave dish is just about done, so let me know what to make Friday night, 7 o'clock St. Louis time. And remember, let the men chase you and show you that you are worth it, because honey, you are. You gotta love yourself. Because I love you. You guys are awesome. And as always, a tidy home is a happy home.